How do you set up work from home with dual monitor? Post-pandemic gave birth to hybrid and remote jobs. Every company now has a position to work from home. Dual monitor setup is essential as a comfortable mattress. You spend 8 hours of your sleep on a comfortable mattress. So as you work, you spend 8 hours at work. So you need a comfortable space to work for. Now, John Petty research found that adding a second monitor increased user productivity and average about 42%, right? That's your digital real estate equals to more productivity and low anxiety. This is how you should look when you're working from home. You need to have a well concentration of your monitor, your setup, your computer, as well as your whole peripheral ergonomic stats. Now, you could have any computer you need. It varies depending on what your company can offer you. This is HP. I'm a Dell guy, but you can have any computer as long as it has a VGA, DisplayPort, and HDMI. Now, that is your actual docking stand, right? This is the stand which you can put in your docking station in the middle or on the side, and those two stands brackets, they're the one that actually hold on to your two monitors, the dual screen, the one that we're talking about. These are your dual screen. That's how they should look like. It depends. You can get another brand, but these are the Dells. I prefer Dell. However, so all monitors in the back, they come with the brackets which you can actually remove, and then you can just slide them into the other one. Now, as we all know, power is one of the biggest thing that we need and the most important thing. Now, the Surge Protector is where you're going to plug in all your peripherals, from your monitors to your docking station as well as your computer. Now, this is a power supply. These you need, they're very essential. That goes in the back of your two monitors. That actually goes to your Protector Surge. And these, sometimes they come with the monitors, so you have to buy them out there. Now, these two display connectors are the best. The top one is the HDMI, and the bottom one is your DisplayPort. Now, a lot of the equipment from your docking station as well as your monitors do come well equipped with that. And most important, again, you need your tools. Tools. Your docking station and everything, it needs a tool to unlock it and make sure that it actually works. So the tool is very important for that. Now, docking stations, this is the Dell one, but you could use a HP or any other brand from Amazon. They all do the same thing. Just make sure that they have all these connectors. As you can see in the front, it has the USBs, and in the back, you got your display ports. This is power supply which goes into the actual docking station, and that runs all your monitors through it. So the power supply goes to the power surge, and the knob goes to the computer. This is how it should look in the back once you are fully connected with the brackets and stand with your two monitors, right? And make sure you just snug the cables underneath, and those cables go straight to your power surge. And once you already establish your connection, now what you're looking at is when the computers are on the empty space on your actual desktop, you click the right, you're able to choose display settings. You will see that all your monitors are connected. Now, this kind of gives you a whole holistic view too. You have monitor 1 and 2. If you scroll down in the bottom, you're able to actually choose the multiple displays to it, right? Now, with the displays to it, you're able to choose which one you want as a main monitor. This side should look in front as your whole setup is done. As you can see, they look very nice. And these are Dell. I love Dell, but you can actually choose any other monitors. Now, power and sleep settings, right? These are another important setting, because once you close your lid of your laptop, you expect your monitors to still be up. Now you have to choose that, hey, whenever I close my lid, nothing should happen. And let's go to the sounds. Your sounds is very important as well, because you're going to be having meetings, Zoom meetings, and all that good stuff, and how to play music. So just make sure that you choose that it plays out of the array speakers, right? And your input should be out of your microphone. Voila. This is how it should all look like. Now, we all talk about working from home is hard, but at the same time, you want it to be the best as you can, right? So this is the look you are looking for. A digital real estate is very important as much as your mattress, because you spend 8 hours working, so it has to be comfortable. As much as you prioritize your mattress, you should prioritize your workplace as well. Thank you for tuning in, and this is how you set up your dual monitors. Thanks again. Have a good one. Bye.